presenting a Growing Little Ones video.
Here comes Mr. John Deere, and he's got his tractor. He's the farmer in charge of this farm. Look at that awesome tractor. Chase and Apollo, are you ready to see his animals? Let's see 'em. Doot-doot! He has... Oh no! There's no animals. They're all missing. He should have 4 animals here. Oh no! Mr. John Deere's animals have gone missing. This sounds like a job for the Paw Patrol. Woof woof! I don't know where to find them. You've got to help me. I have a pig, a cow, a horse, and a sheep, and they're all missing. Please help me, Paw Patrol. Can you show us what the missing animals look like? Sure thing. Come over here. I have a horse, a cow, a pig, and a sheep. Don't worry, we'll find them. The Paw Patrol is on a roll. Apollo, we've got a rescue mission. Let's get going. Woof woof! Don't worry, Mr. John Deere. We're on the way. Beep beep! I hear Chase. I hope you found my missing animal. Beep beep! I borrowed your tractor, Mr. Farmer, and I found something. Chase, this is not one of my missing animals. This is an egg. It's a Play-Doh egg. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought it was an animal. Uh-oh. Well, this is a really cool egg, so let's see what's inside while Chase keeps looking for my missing animals. So, what's inside this egg? It says it's a Play-Doh egg, so what do you think's inside? It's blue Play-Doh! Ah, that's so cool! Look how squishy it is. Blue Play-Doh? And hey, what else is in here? It's Chase! Look at that! It's a little Chase figurine. That's so cool! And we've got some really neat blue Play-Doh. It's so squishy. All right, Chase, this is really neat, and the cool surprise figurine was a lot of fun. But we need to find Mr. John Deere's animals. So let's keep looking. I hear another vehicle. Who do you think it is? It's Apollo. Did you find one of our missing animals? Let's see. You did. This is our horse. Look at that! We found the farmer's lost horse. Now we get to put him in the tractor. Vroom! Good job, Apollo! Woohoo! Thank you, Apollo. And we're going to put our horse right here inside the tractor. You're welcome, horsey. Now, the farmer has one of his missing animals. This is awesome. We only have 3 more animals to find. Do you think we can find them all? Woohoo! Apollo thinks so. Vroom! All right, Paw Patrol, we need 3 more animals. Whoosh! It's Sky. What did you bring us, Sky? It's another egg. Oh, Sky, that's not an animal. I know it's not an animal, but it's pink. I had to have it. Can you please open it up? All right, Sky, this one time. Let's see, what do you think's inside? Could it be pink Play-Doh? What do you think? I love pink Play-Doh. But wait, there's something else. What's this? It's another egg. Well, that's really cool. It's a stamp with a little ducky. Well, Sky, these are really neat, but we need to find the missing animals. So we've got a little ducky stamp, and we've got some pink Play-Doh. Woohoo! But we need to find those missing animals. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Whoosh! All right, Sky is looking for those missing animals. So let's see if they can find them. Woof, woof. It's Tracker. Mi amigos. I found something. Oh no, Tracker. That's not an animal. That's an egg. No, 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 amigo. You have to open it up. You have no idea what's inside. All right, Tracker. We'll open it up. Let's see. What does Tracker think's in here? Is it more Play-Doh? No, it's one of our missing animals. We found the sheep. Woohoo! You found my missing sheep. Thank you, Tracker. Thank you, Paw Patrol. Let's put the sheep inside. Here we go. Do you know what sound a sheep makes? Bah, bah. A sheep goes bah, bah. And a horse goes neigh, neigh. All right, Mr. Farmer, we found 2 of them. Now there's just 2 more. Thank you so much, Tracker. Woohoo! Tracker is on a roll. Ruff, ruff. It's Chase here, sir. I found something. What did you find, Chase? An egg? Do you think this egg has an animal inside? It says Play-Doh. Let's see. There's yellow Play-Doh. That's really neat. That doesn't look like an animal. It's Zuma. Zuma, you had your head stuck in Play-Doh. We've got yellow Play-Doh. Ah, squishy. So squishy. All right. We found a Zuma and yellow Play-Doh. But Chase, we still need the other animals. So keep looking. I am going to launch my spy drone. That will help us find the missing animals. Here we go. Ooh, spy drone. Find those missing animals. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Look what my spy drone found. Chase, not another egg. Oh, do you think there's Play-Doh in here? You've got to look inside. I think I heard mooing. Oh, mooing? What animal goes moo? Do you know? It is a cow. Look at that. We found the missing cow. Thank you so much, Chase. Your drone did a great job. Moo. All right, let's put this cow in here with his friends. Here we go. It goes right here. Good job. Now we just need to find the piggy. Do you think they can find the piggy? Oink, oink. Hey, it's the piggy. Catch that pig. Oink, 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 oink. Uh-oh. I sure hope they can catch him. Hey, what's that? It just rolled in here. It's another Play-Doh egg. Well, let's open it up while Chase chases down that pig. We've got purple Play-Doh and Rubble! Here, Rubble on the double. You can sit there till we find the missing pig. Purple Play-Doh. All right. Hey, Chase, you've got the pig yet? Almost. Almost, guys. He's having to chase him around everywhere. Oink, oink. Get that pig! Oink, oink. Phew, I finally caught him. That pig was hard to catch. Oink, oink. All right, Rubble, you've got to give up your spot. Chase caught the pig. Here we go. All right, it's time to take these animals to the farm. Beep, beep. Paulo is going to open up the doors. Here we go. Now we're ready to put the animals inside. Here's our sheep. There you go, Mr. Sheep. And our piggy pig. We'll put him out here. He's got a nice little pen. Here's our cow. Moo. And our horse. Very nice. The animals are all safe inside. Thank you so much, Paw Patrol. Woohoo! I really enjoyed showing you all these cool toys. We had the Green Toys barn, and it came with the fence, and it comes with some animals that you can play with, and we love Green Toys. They are some of our favorites, and this is the Green Toys farm, and this is the front of it. You can open up the doors like this, and then you can turn it around. You have the back side like that. So really cool farm, great quality. And then of course we had our John Deere tractor with all of its animals, and that was a lot of fun. But if you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.